In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data to Excel in QuickBooks Online. This is a fundamental skill for anyone looking to maintain precise financial records or analyze financial data efficiently. So, without further ado, let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open QuickBooks Online and direct your attention to the gear icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This icon represents your settings menu. This menu is crucial as it contains several options needed to customize your QuickBooks experience. Once you click on the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. In this list, you'll see an option labeled Export Data. Select that option to proceed. You're now in the Export Data section, which is where you can carefully select the data ranges you wish to export to Excel. This is a significant step, as you'll want to ensure that you're exporting the most relevant data for your needs. QuickBooks Online allows you to choose from various financial reports. These include the general ledger, profit and loss statement, balance sheet, trial balance, and the journal. Each of these reports provides valuable insights and details, depending on your specific needs. The general ledger, for example, is indispensable for detailed account information, while the profit and loss statement offers a comprehensive view of your income and expenses over a particular period. As you choose these options, make sure they align with your reporting needs or the specific financial analysis you aim to perform. After you've made your selections, you're ready to export these data sets to Excel. You'll notice an option labeled Export to Excel. Simply click on this, and QuickBooks Online will promptly generate an Excel file with all the data you've chosen to export. This function is extremely helpful as it allows for further analysis or sharing with team members who might not have direct access to QuickBooks Online, but do need insights into the company's financial standing. And just like that, you're done. You can now find the exported file in your computer's downloads, ready for you to review, analyze, or share with others who might need this information. This process is simple but powerful, providing flexibility and accessibility in managing your company's financial data. In summary, exporting data to Excel in QuickBooks Online is a straightforward process that greatly enhances your ability to handle and analyze financial information outside the confines of QuickBooks. It provides a seamless way to work with data and generate reports that are customizable to your specific needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out.